Hey, starting off a little late in the day today, but my friend Nick just got home from Puerto Rico. He needs to throw some new brakes on his 2016 Subaru STI, so I'm gonna go head over there and give him a hand. If you've been keeping up with my most recent content and you've been liking what I've been putting out, drop a like and hit that subscribe button down below. If you're new here, go check out my most recent content that I just put out, and let's just get right into the video. Oh, let's... Oh, that's a good shit. All right, so I just pulled up to Nick's house. Got a little pizza for the both of us. I'll take that. Hello, this is my girlfriend. Hello. But yeah, we got some pizza for us, and then we're about to head over to the shop and get things going. Hello. Oh, look at all the doggos.
Hello, doggos.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah, what up, dude?
So Tony, cool. You made it. Look, you're going viral.
Hey.
He doesn't speak English yet.
Come here. Hello.
This is my little dude Tony. What's up? Oh,
easy, Charlie.
Easy, dude. Easy. Charlie chilling. Tony chilling on my arm.
He might run up on your back.
That's shut up. Fine. Shut up.
Charlie. No.
All right, let's eat some pizza.
Bye, little pupper.
Let's get it. Evo with a Tesla screen. Things you don't see every day.
That's fresh. That looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna. Look at the monitor.
Whoa, you got a big ass screen in this.
Yeah, dude, it's literally a tablet.
That's fucking cool. Is it smooth? Does it like run smooth?
Yeah, it's sick. Like I connect.
When did you do that? That's sick.
When I had COVID, actually. So
That's nice.
You can download any app. Like literally.
Should you put YouTube on?
I could, but it's not connected to my phone right now. But I have. I got this. It's plugged into the computer. I can't see.
No OBD?
Yeah.
Oh, and it reads it?
Yeah, and you get gauges.
High key. Oh, is it like an app that you downloaded and you just bought the Bluetooth adapter separately?
Right.
Nice.
I don't even know if it's. No.
All right, you ready to go?
Cold start.
Pull out straight. You're good. You're good. You're good. Just come straight out.
Beautiful.
All right. Let me hop in the car before you take off.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
No, yeah, I'm not really gonna. Hey. Getting a little happy over there.
Oh yeah. You know how it is.
Careful, put that thing down, you might hurt somebody.
You'd like to see that, wouldn't you?
Need a hand?
Just gotta find that jack in my car.
This is a great great time. You can't even see it, but there's a bolt over here. It's nice
that hurt like
nice and hard
Careful, put that thing down. You might hurt somebody.
to get to with
You
this.
see my fucking fingernail right now?
What did you do?
I was playing with the adjustant.
Let me see.
It's filling with blood.
Ooh.
Is it even gonna fit?
That's what I look like when I get out of the shower. There we go. You got it. Nice jump.
These like to strip out from the actual caliper. The threads will strip on the caliper, so you're not supposed to use impacts. But when I tried doing a breaker bar on the front, I had a jack to the breaker bar and I was trying to jack that shit up, jack it up. It wouldn't come off. We spent like fucking 4 hours trying to get one bolt loose. It was
Get the right tools.
Got these little pins, and you pull these pins out and this little metal plate comes off and you pull out the brake pads through the rear. It's kind of weird. I mean, I guess it's convenient for if you're just doing your pads though, because then you don't have to, you know, take off your caliper.
Okay, so we bent the pin. We're bending it back now. Hopefully it works the same.
Okay, so now we can take the brake pads out. He got the piston to move a little bit. Okay, he got the pins out. We gotta just move it over.
Pad one.
We have in this little hole right here a little gear that we have to release for the e-brake. We can spin it and get the rotor off. Sorry for all the noise, he's playing with the jack stand.
I gotta go the other way. That's it.
Now we have to spin this until we find the little gear in there so that we can release it for
Dude, I don't know what the fuck I'm looking for.
We definitely watched a YouTube video
Just now.
just now. Right there. Thank God for YouTube. If you see that little gear in there, we have to turn that to release the pads on the inside for the e-brake.
It's like a drum brake.
So, without YouTube, we'd be screwed.
Be smacking it with a hammer.
Noted, front brakes are way easier.
Yes, sir. Hey, Tristan.
Yeah.
You know what I need?
What do you need?
Hammer. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Still don't want to see me win.
Get the bigger hammer.
Well, you know what they say, what can't be fixed with one hammer can be fixed with a lot of fucking hammers. We got a crack.
Yeah.
Like I said, when one hammer doesn't work, more hammers.
Now to just do everything backwards. Well, we're finally almost done with the rear passenger side. And then we still have the other side that we have not touched yet. But we're doing good. Alright, the brakes are fully installed. Now we just need some brake cleaner so that we can spray down the rotors so that they don't lock up and get all gunky. But it's all done.
Teamwork.
We
You didn't do anything.
We just set it on fire.
You didn't do anything.
Yeah, wipe it down.
Squeaky fucking
Wipe
clean.
it down. Bunny on a leash. Oh, where are you going?
And tire. And wait.
Oh, where are you going?
Wait, ready? Bunny in a tire.
Oh, he's gonna get so dirty. Over here. Hey. Come here.
Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it.
Alright, we're just about done here. We're wrapping up for the night. So, everything's all done.
Oh, dude, it's so nice.
We cleaned up.
Gauge is so much lower.
His rear brakes work good.
Yeah, they do.
I'll see you in the next one.